Hi, my name is Joan Lowe, and I'm the founder and CEO of Thoughtfull, a B2B2C digital mental health company based here in Singapore. Our mobile app solution, Thoughtful Chat, helps individuals access affordable mental health care through our self-driven tools as well as one-on-one bite-sized coaching with certified mental health professionals anytime, anywhere. Now, this is particularly important in this pandemic environment where anxiety and burnout amongst employees and individuals alike are skyrocketing. To directly address the issue of a fragmented mental health care system that is severely in shortage of professionals, we're leveraging evidence-based frameworks and the latest clinical tools as well as AI to not only build the largest network of mental health professionals in the region, but to also increase their capacity by up to tenfold. Now, the past year has been a boon for Thoughtful's growth. I look forward to presenting our solution as well as our roadmap at the upcoming Galen Growth Deal Factory on April 7th. I look forward to it. Thank you.